Hello friends, we've just done some loops in BandLab. Now what we're going to do is we're going to learn how we can use some virtual instruments. So I'm going to click Add Track, and when I click Add Track, I'm going to click on Instruments right here in order to add an instrument track. Then I'm going to click on the actual little instrument icon itself right here. And that is going to bring up all the tools that I need in order to mess around with this instrument. By default, it's going to give me a piano. And you could see I just played it by clicking down here. But I can also play it by using the keyboard. And you can see that all the keys are labeled so you know which letter to press in order to get a certain note. Okay? The most simple thing I can do with an instrument is I can change what the instrument is. So down in this drop down, I have different categories like bass for low instruments, brass instruments like trumpets and stuff, guitars, right? And I can just choose one of these categories and I can get myself something different, right? Okay, so there's a fun little guitar. So what I could do here is I could hit the record button and I can actually play directly into BandLab and record something. And now I have something in my track. Simple as that, okay? But if playing the notes in is a little bit tricky, don't worry, there's other things we can do as well. So for example, what we could do is we could click down here on the MIDI editor, and this is going to let me actually see each note in isolation and change them one at a time. This is also very helpful if you make a mistake when you're playing and you just want to fix something later. Okay, but if you don't want to make a mistake and you just want to use this on its own, what you can do is you have a couple of tools over here to use. So right now, I'm in the select mode, which means that I can select notes, okay, I can move them around in different places, okay, and that's pretty much it. But if I click on this pencil, then I go into edit mode and I can actually add notes by clicking. And you can see that the timeline at the top here is labeled based on where we are in the song. So this is measure 1, beat 1, measure 1, beat 2, measure 1, beat 3. So maybe I want to go in between beat 3 and beat 4, measure 1, beat 4, and I'm going to go actually in between beat 4 and the beginning of measure 2. So this is going to sound like on beat, off beat, off beat. So we could hear that. So it's actually pretty hard to hear because there's a lot of stuff going on. So I'm going to mute this, I'm going to mute this, and now we should be able to hear what the notes I just clicked in a little bit better. And they're kind of clashing with the notes above, so I'm going to just delete these. And now you'll definitely be able to hear this because it's the only thing that's going to be played. Okay, so that's just a funky little riff. And I could even, once I'm in select mode, the things that I've put in by clicking, I could highlight them. I could do Control-C to copy. And then wherever I put the cursor, so if I want to put that into measure 2, I could do Control-V and paste it in. Right? And then I could put it in measure 3. Okay? And you can create rhythm patterns just like that. So measure 4, measure 5. And I've got it repeated out. So here's everything all together. So that is how you can use virtual instruments in BandLab.